My sensors are detecting an unknown anomaly, similar to the one that hit us near Quantum's.
Don't worry, you're sitting this one out. All right, Clank. So where is this time portal?
Zircon not shoot little Fongoids.
Grummelnet presents to you the ultimate problem solver. You're all maxed out.
The Cryomine Glove is the perfect marriage of Grummelnet technology and Lombax ingenuity. If enemies get the drop on you, simply toss a few out onto the battlefield. The mines will home in on any foe unlucky enough to wander within range and... Now that's cold! The Cryomine Glove. Available only at Grummelnet.
Snoop around, Chief. You got a right to protect yourself.
Praise Orvis! A Lombax! Have you come to rescue us?
What happened here?
Dr. Nefarious. He tricked us into helping him build this outpost, and before we knew it, his troops were herding us into detainment camps. They're controlled by that guard tower up there. Please, help us.
Attention, Fongoid guests. If you have been assigned work at the Nefarious Space Station, your handlers will arrive shortly to escort you to the Green Zone. Now would be a good time to say goodbye to your loved ones.
Easy, furball. Why can't Mr. Zircon not
This is a reminder that all permanent residents of the Topway outpost should stand at least 4 feet away from the containment grid. We don't want any more accidents here. Now do we?
You were one of the troops. They've been searching for me ever since I escaped the detainment camp. I need to get back to my hut before they close in. Can you help me get through the ivy?
Are we done with the killing? Stupid fungoid! Why can't Mr. Zircon not kill you? Fungoid! Your hordes are stupid! Mr. Zircon! Fungoid, why can't Mr. Zircon not kill you?
Wow! An Omnisoker!
Mr. Zircon
Come
is
on,
coming.
we better get moving before they find us. This was all farmland just a couple of years ago. Used to plant gardens all around the village, but I stopped when Nefarious crashed here. Well,
Dead turd. Easily furball. fungoids.
Primary containment generator disabled.
Hey! We're free!
Praise Orvis! We're saved!
That must be the time portal Clank was talking about.
If you were down to your last piece of gum, and Dr. Nefarious asked for it, you would give him the gum.
Stupid fungoid. Why can't Mr. Zircon not kill you?
Dr. Nefarious is brilliant.
Nefarious is brilliant.
Mr. Zircon is coming to kill.
A day without Dr. Nefarious is like a day without sunshine.
Zircon not shoot little fungoids.
Hey! Are you here to help build Dr. Nefarious's outpost? We were about to build the bridge, but the winch crank rusted up. Nothing we can do. Not for a while. We'll just have to wait for them to finish building the oil derrick so we can fix it. We're not supposed to talk about it, but he's inside right now. Can you imagine what those two have to chat about? Dr. Nefarious is brilliant. Why? Why? Because a day without Dr. Nefarious is a day without sunshine.
Mr. Zircon does not have all day.
Praise Nefarious! What can I do for you this fine day? I was planting some vines when suddenly I felt the urge to stop and help our visitor build his new home. Have you met Dr. Nefarious yet? He's great and wonderful. Glad to help. I know more about horticulture than any fungoid on Xanathar. First, you need to scoop up a seed. Then, find a nice patch of soil. Then you just plant it, nice and deep. In a few years, you'll have a nice, healthy vine. There are 2 more planters around here, if you want to give it a try. They're on the other side of the bridge. I would have planted the seeds myself, but there's a burrow of xiphoids back there. I hear he's in the outpost right now, talking to Dr. Nefarious. You can't see him, though. The winch crank rusted up in last night's thunderstorm, so we can't lower the bridge.
Mr. Zircon does not come in peace. Stupid fungoid. Why can't Mr. Zircon not kill you? What little Flee before Mr. Zircon.
even started growing yet. It'll take a few years.
Dr. Nefarious can be trusted.
A day without Dr. Nefarious is like a day without sunshine.
If I was down to my last... More troopers! Over there!
To see my wife!
Yeah, me too, man. Thanks for all your help, stranger. Well, now that our friends are free, we can shut down the outpost and restore the village. See you later, stranger. Come back anytime.
Dr. Nefarious is not evil.
A day without Dr. Nefarious.
Hey, you found oil! Mr. Nefarious will be so happy. Do me a favor and loosen up that winch crank, will ya?
You did it!
Do me a favor. If you see Dr. Nefarious in sight, tell him I helped you out, will ya? Praise Nefarious!
All right, Chief.
should have found it by now. He must have erased his own memory.
Time is a gift and not to be tampered with.
This is your last chance, Orbis. How do I get into the chamber?
You are making a mistake. The clock is not a time machine. There is only one who will enter my chamber, and he is safe, far from you.
Where is he? Where did he go? I don't know, sir. I'm pulling up a residual image from his database. We scanned it before he dissipated.
Clank?
You! Annihilate him, you fools! And then I said, not so smart now, are you? You get it? Because he's a moron!
Oh, Dr. Nefarious, you have such a wonderful sense of humor, and you're so
Why did Mr. Zircon not shoot little foncoins?
Greetings, young Lombax. I think I may have come across something that belongs to you.
General!
It is a dark day when one is tasked with destroying half the galaxy's Lombax population. I assure you I act only out of contractual obligation.
Ratchet, don't listen to him! Find the clock!
Only one Lombax need perish tonight. If you would be willing to take his place, I'd happily postpone the execution. I've uploaded coordinates to your ship. Tick-tock.